Alright, this is my bike check. First off, I'm going to start off with my frame. It's a Black Eye Colorado, Corey Jarman SIG. It's pretty sweet. And then, start with the front too. I got Fit Sky Highs. They're pretty sick, you know. 29. Got some ODIs. Stolen Vortex. My other one's an ODI. Or ODI bar end, yeah, that's right. And Profile Acoustic Stem Blue. It's pretty strong, no slip. Stock fork, stock wheel, Fit. What kind of tire is that? It's just a Fit tire, I don't know. Then I got Tree Trick Stick front peg. It's pretty good. It's park, slides well. Mechanic cranks, Odyssey pedals, nice and pedally. Stock seat, whatever. Another Fit tire, street version, that's the dirt version. Crappy peg, works. KMC chain. Then I got this like junky sprocket right now. It's like, I had to buy a new one because my other one bent while I was grinding, so it was like $30, but whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty basic. Stock seat post, stock headset, whatever. Yeah.